Hi, I'm Sam. I'm here today to tell you to keep your dog moving with VetIQ Hip and Joint chews. VetIQ Hip and Joint health supplements are vet-recommended soft chews formulated to help support mobility and healthy joint muscles. Every delicious chicken-flavored soft chew helps to support cartilage, lubricate joints, and maintain muscles in your dog. VetIQ Hip and Joint health supplements can be given to your pet every day, during or after mealtime, but be sure to read the directions on the bag before use to ensure your dog receives the right amount of support. Our soft chew recipe is packed with powerful ingredients that you can trust. We've combined glucosamine, MSM, krill, and omega-3 to help support your dog's muscles and joints for every adventure. VetIQ Hip and Joint is made in the USA using ingredients from around the globe and is formulated without wheat, corn, or soy to make a tasty, healthy supplement your dog will love. Be confident in your dog's hip health with VetIQ. I'm Sam, thanks for watching.